Hormones are a challenge for so many of us. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. I use the Rooster Comb technique to balance my hormones. It's very simple. You put the heel of one of your hands on the hairline and you flatten your hand on top of the head. Take the other hand and place it at the curve of your head and just flatten that hand. You want to make sure that your hands are either touching tip to tip or ever so slightly lacing. This creates a nice connection between your hands and it helps balance all of your hormones. We're working with the liver, we're working with the hypothalamus, the pituitary, the pineal gland. All of these are powerhouses to balance our hormones. If you struggle from night sweats or hot flashes, this is a great one to do right before you go to bed. You have your arms supported by pillows so you can hold this position for a good 20 minutes if it feels right. But you only have to do it for a few deep breaths or a minute or two, and you'll notice a huge difference. Until next time, keep moving energies.